Welcome, I'm Paul Schrader from Normby Fiberglass, the home of mobile feed troughs. We'd like to walk you through our award-winning 3-in-1 multi-feeder that has become very popular from people that are rearing calves right through. What brought this product about was the frustration about the amount of waste of meal and the waste of hay. We've provided hay racks, which are removable if the animals are a lot larger. As an optional extra, you can buy a meal chute which fits inside the hay rack, and that will take up to 3 to 4 bags of pellets. Rather than the pellets getting wet and being discarded by the calves, they actually get quite clever and they bump the rubber to get fresh pellets and start eating the wet stuff. So there's virtually no waste with any product that's fed in here. You can also introduce straw, muesli, a little bit of maize. The options are endless really. With these rubber chutes, they're actually adjustable. So it's like a choke system. If you want less flow, you lower them down. If you want a higher flow, just undo the hose clamp and just raise it up a little bit. To get access to the baskets, it's just a matter of undoing the latch, lifting up the lid, and you can just see what capacity that chute holds and the basket can hold. So what you're doing is putting fresh feed in there every day or every second day, whatever suits. There's a little safety latch here that goes on, and that just stops the wind from shutting the door on your arms. So if you're in the middle of a drought, you can actually take these out and just have it straight for yearlings. The multi-feeder 3-in-1 is really quite a unique product, and there's nothing else on the market quite like it. This is a long-term investment, this multi-feeder, and we're getting people that are using them for over 20, 25, 30 years. So it's a real go-to piece of equipment if you're rearing young stock. In addition to the multi-feeder, we also have the mobile hay rack. Once again, this is a design that we developed through frustration of the amount of hay that's wasted by young calves. As we all know, they're very selective eaters and they only like good quality hay. But sadly, they want to sleep on it and poo on it. So by getting it off the ground and letting the air go through it, you virtually get zero waste from hay. The other great feature about that is they will eat twice as much hay as they normally would. And so you're getting that into them to develop that rumen at a nice and early stage. Both these units come as 3.8. It's a derivative of the standard TM 3.8 mobile trough that we make. On this case, the hay rack, we've just put a drawbar on the back just to keep the price down a little bit. And it's also got a tongue on the back so you can tow 2 or 3 mobile hay racks, and you can just drop them off at different mobs in different paddocks. So that's just a quick overview of these two products. If you are in the market for one of these, give us a phone call or maybe email us. More than happy to talk to you, answer your questions to help you through deciding what the right trough is for your particular situation.